That's a big thing with me is just making sure that light color matches across the board between ambient and strobe. And if it doesn't match, it's intentional. And so, lighting is definitely one of those things where, you can make a lot of creative decisions, but you have to make the decision. You can't just let it happen, right? So it's like if you don't like something, you have to know why it doesn't look good. So you have
Right.
to sort of dissect everything like, okay, I don't like the light. Was it the shape, the color? Is it the direction? Is it the quality? So I'm always a big you can see some gel just taped on the thing here just to be ready to swap it out fast if we need to. That's kind of a wrap on that shoot. I don't know if you guys had any questions on that, anything
No,
on
it's
there.
great, and I really appreciate you showing the behind the scenes. It's really helpful, for our photo and digital media students. They just love, the nitty-gritty of it, and the emphasis on mixing light. You have to be intentional, and I always say, don't go, "Oh, I'll fix it in Photoshop." Get
Oh,
it in camera,
always.
because garbage in, garbage out.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And and there's a small window of things that if you can't fix it, obviously Photoshop's great to solve things you can't fix. Or if there's just no time, it's better to get the shot than no shot. But yes, the approach must be get it right in camera. That is the good foundation to a home.
Yeah,
Right. And so, my big thing just on lighting, real quick too, is just matching the already organic light direction in the environments. So you can see
right,
there's a big window here. So I put my key right on that same side of the window. Little room fill here at the ceiling. But that's kind of my general approach is to always a short light things, but b make sure the light direction is matching what's already organically there.
that's great.
It's amazing how naturalistic they look, considering how much gear there is and how
Mhm.
much thought process. When you pull back from the camera and you see 3 or 4 lights and you're like, "Oh, okay, wow." But it feels both polished and natural somehow.
Yeah, it's just I think it's important again just to find the balance, right? It's not overly lighting with your equipment and it's not trying to just to rely on natural light. It's finding
Mhm.
where you need to add light and block light where you don't want to add, where you don't want
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
And
That's
it's
great.
just learning that delicate balance. And it takes a long time, and it takes every shoot that I do, I'm always questioning what can I do better. I mean,
Sure.
holistically, but obviously especially with lighting.